Hello, my name is Jesus Scott and today I'm going to present integrated skills. Question 1. What your person what's your personal concept of creativity? Do you consider yourself a creative person? For me, creativity is the ability to generate new and useful ideas to solve problems in different situations. It is not only about art, but about thinking in different ways. Yes, I consider myself a creative person because I try to find alternative solutions when something does not work. Uh, este, Question 2. According to the video, my minds of creativity, how does the speaker define creativity and innovation? According to the video, creativity is the process of generating novel and useful ideas. Innovation is taking those ideas and applying them in the real world, especially especially inside organizations or in the marketplace. Question 3. Explain the three myths in the organization and decide how much you agree or disagree. Uh, the first myth is the lone creator myth. Its size creativity depends uh, on one person, but the speaker explains that creativity is teamwork. Teamwork. I agree with that. The second myth is is the cohesive myth. It says creativity is always fun and easy, but actually it requires friction and different opinions. Uh, I agree because conflict can improve ideas. The third myth is mousetrap myth. Uh, Leaders think they can easily recognize, recognize, recognize good ideas, but they often reject new ideas because they are different. I strongly agree with this point. Question 4. Explain the relationship between creativity and intelligence is one more important. According to the reading, creativity is one dimension of intelligence. Intelligence includes analytical skills, emotional intelligence, and the ability to the apply and knowledge. Creativity helps use intelligence in new situations. I think both are equally important because creativity without intelligence can fail, and intelligence without creativity can be limited. Question 5. Mention a situation where you solved a problem using creativity. One time I had a good project and we did not agree when the solution I had subject. um, Combining different ideas into one proposal. In the end, the teacher liked our project because it was original and complement. Question 6. How can we nurture our creativity? We can nurture creativity by all the by allowing uh, allowing ourselves to think freely, exploring different perspectives, accepting mistakes, and working with diverse people. It is important to create safe space where ideas are respected, respected and tested. Goodbye. Thanks for listening.